Hey guys, what's up? We are talking about computer networking, and in this tutorial we will explore about clients, servers and hosts. Not hosts, but hosts. Remember, there are no hotties in computer world. So friends, we have already discussed that in an office, for example, in simple networking terms, we have got a client and we have got a server. A server is a powerful computer which serves the clients in the network. So we have got 3 clients and a server, and this server has got a lot of hard disks space, so it acts as an storage server in this case. And if we have got a printer attached to this server, then this server also acts as a print server. So in this architecture we have got clients and we have got a server. That's why it is called client server architecture, and they may be attached to each other with the help of a switch or a router, or maybe if a server has also got a Wi-Fi, so maybe, yeah, or maybe if we have got a laptop, then laptop may be connected to a wireless router to the server. So this is how client server architecture works. And now the question arises, what are the hosts? So we have got a client and we have got a server. Let's suppose this is a web server and we have our website on this server. That is, we have got an intranet and we have hosted our website only for the local users, for the internal users of the company on this web server. So this web server actually is right now acting as a host. Why? Because we have hosted our web pages on this web server. Therefore, this web server is also known as a web host. A client, through his browser, sends a request to the server processes that request and makes a copy of the page or produces a page and sends it back to the client. Similarly, another client sends a request and this server processes that request. So that's why we call this as host. So guys, we have discussed about client server architecture. What are the clients? What is the server? And we have discussed about client and host. So guys, in the next tutorial, we will be discussing about internet. What is, not what is internet, but how does an internet work? Please subscribe to ifacner.com. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.